this is the display. It's falling apart already. What else do we have here? And I really can't get this motherboard off here. I want to clean it. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Yes. Okay. Okay, it's off. And what would this be? I don't know. Come on now. Okay, this phone was much complicated than I expected to be. But yeah. Oh, I don't like the sound of that rust. Oh. Oh my god. I will have to use not only the contact cleaner, but this is from this. Luckily I'm recording this. I also have to use rust remover, which I will. Is this detachable? Apparently it's not, eh? Oh, it is. Or it's not. Nope, it's not detachable. I'm gonna leave it here. Apparently the water got in from the middle to bottom. The only thing I'm worried about, I'll have to clean this. What is this? This is a, I see now. Yeah, I'm worried about the camera. I hope it will not need cleaning inside because I don't know how. This is one time use on here. Let me show you the camera. Yeah, this is the motherboard. I'm gonna show you before and after. See this? This hurts badly. Well, surprisingly, the whole flash. This is what I was pushing from the outside. What was this? Was this some kind of sensor and I was destroying it? I don't know. Does anyone know what this is? Not this flash, this part, this little one. The SIM and the card reader. This is definitely the speaker, pretty big one. The antenna. What else is to show? Well, yeah, it just needs a bit of cleaning, not that much. The door. Yeah, this is the battery housing. So that's how this works, with a little spring. And this is why it was not very well in place. This thing, it's a bit bent. Since I'm already trying to fix this thing, why not bend it back? No? And there we have it, straight again. You have to push it. I was pushing it the other way. Yeah, I don't know what was the purpose of this thing, but I will not damage it. Anyways, I'm happy that I fixed this part. Now let's take a closer look at the screen. those are the two new, well, new and used one. This is a used one. Yeah. I don't know what I'm not gonna use them. And since oh, this video is about teardown, why not disassemble the screen? This is with touchscreen. That's how it gets. And wait a minute. This sounds like glass. Oh, something snapped. Oh, here we have the backlight, I believe. Yeah. This is clearly from the backlight. This is proof that water was inside it. And here is another problem. The display is cracked here. Well, that's a snap. Actually, those are two snaps. Oh, broke. There we have it. Is this glass or it's so thick? I don't know what this is, but look at it, it's so thick. Yeah, so thick. Pretty durable. It was glued on directly on the touchscreen, like modern phones today. You know, yeah, I think it's glass. I don't know what to believe. You know what? I'm gonna break it. I will have a lot of fixing to do on this. Oh my god, it's so complicated. Huh. How did I snap this? I still don't understand. When I pulled it like this, it was nothing. When I just bent it a little, it snapped. Oh, anyway, this is how it's gonna remain. I don't care. Yeah. The body, the camera, the buttons, screws, whatever. Easy with this. I'm making myself some room. So many parts. No Nokia ever took this much space on my desk. And here I am with the Sony Ericsson. Let's begin. Don't try this at home. Bro, oh my god. I use so much force in this. So much force. This is not glass. This is plexiglass. Look how thick it is. This is clearly plexiglass, which is actually a nice touch. Well, good job, Sony Ericsson. You made a durable display. And if it weren't the water that got in it, it wouldn't have problems. But that's why I'm here. I will try to save this phone no matter what. Hopefully I can do something. No way, I just saw this. I just saw this. The front facing camera, it's detachable. Ha! Well, some Nokia phones also have it detachable, like the N73. But I'm happy to see it's detachable. So yeah, I like phone that has easy to change parts. Well, this isn't easy. Believe me, this is not easy. But it's changeable. You don't have to change the whole motherboard for it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. This was part 1. I'm gonna go clean all these parts. And I'll see you in part 2. It may take a while. Oh boy. Well, see you in the next video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and want to see more. Hit the bell icon, like this. And I'll see you next time. Have an awesome day. Bye bye. K850i.